Hey friends, if you wish to download the Wordle game and play it for free on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So it's easy. Either open the Microsoft Store from the system tray, and if you don't find it here, then search for it in the Windows search bar and click on it to open it. Now type the word Wordle in the search bar, and you'll find this Wordle game here. Click on it. Since it has 4,000 plus ratings, I can be very sure that it is a genuine Wordle game. Simply click on get and wait for a few seconds till it starts installing. It's getting ready right now, and it is checking the services, and then it will finally download it. So this is how we can download the Wordle game on our computer, and once it is installed, simply click on play and it will open the Wordle game. I never liked this game, but for people who like it, they can play it this way, and it's very popular. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.